Ang laki ng isda, oh.
Where?
Ayun.
Zoom it in.
You're the one with the camera. You tell me to don't zoom in on the kids.
Ayun ga. Brent's not gonna ligo. You're the one in front. Figure. Okay, so we're ready. Except for Bren. Yan, Bren's still...
Brent's not ready?
You know how... No, he's not gonna ligo nga. Brent's not gonna ligo. According... So, it's gonna be very quick. So, we have to wait for Bryce. Ano yun? Oh. Show Bryce.
I'm not Bryce.
So, we're here in our room. And then there's Bren. Contemplating to rise or not. So, let's go the other room and check. Say good morning, bruh. What do I fucking smile lang? What the fuck's wrong with you? Ayan na. Say hello to the vlog. Say hello, bruh. Oh. Ano naman? The next station is...
What?
The next station is...
What?
Wala na.
What?
Okay guys, what's our plan today?
We're going to Kamakura. Wait, what? We're not eating breakfast, so I think we're on schedule. Okay, guys, we were.
December went in the Philippines. In
Ayun na.
Japan, guys.
Ayun na.
December went in the
This is so.
Philippines.
This is so violent reaction, bruh. Okay, so we were met with a cold wind. Oh God, what's happening? Baliktad.
be homophobic?
We were met with a cold wind, and Bren was so weak that he had to return to the hotel. Gago, my shirt. Ayun. So we're gonna have breakfast here in the happiest place in the world, Family Mart. What are you picking, Aldrich?
I don't know yet.
How about you, Bryce? What?
A strong zero.
A strong zero for breakfast. Very strong.
Very good.
Oh, what are you getting, my intelligent friend?
What are you having for breakfast? What are you having for breakfast?
Did you have breakfast?
No, he's having this for breakfast.
May at least speak.
What's this?
Ano? Or
He's mute.
he's so dead inside. Like the sign, Aldrich. It says, pag 11 car trade, no.
Why?
Huh?
Kasi mag-U-turn.
I think so, oo.
Bobo para mag-U-turn dito.
Gago, may...
So guys, we've arrived in Kamakura station.
We're headed to Hase Station. I was correct. And Aldrich is wrong. Oh. And then there's Bren. Bren, what do you feel about nature? I like it here. It's so quiet. Don't you think so? Okay, Bren.
You're ruining my vibe, man.
Nice talking to you. What do you like the place?
Took a big shit.
Here, we're on the ground.
Bro, I don't see anything.
You know, we're on the ground, and we're going to. Sir, kalma lang. Where are we going?
So cold. The shrine.
The shrine. We're going to the shrine. Look at the homes.
Hey, can you show the view, not you?
Well, I'm
How will we get
It was
footage
kanina
for
pa.
the space in between
It was kanina pa, bruh. Wow, it's so. Look at the nature, bruh.
So peaceful.
Yeah. I hope Nico is also like this. We have to take the Shinkansen. We are here at the shrine. You wanna take a photo? There's no photo. Hey.
9/11 plate.
Pick. front. Go in the front, di kita yung dog.
Why are you?
Look at this sex offender.
This way.
Go.
This way we can go. I see Japan has a home.
Here is the great Buddha. Here's Buddha number 2. Here's Buddha number 3.
Look at the nature, bruh.
They fucking carved his mole. What the hell?
So,
Here in
Where
Japan.
we've been smelling jizz for like a while. So we're gonna go look for it while these guys are taking pictures. The jizz
It
flower.
smells good.
I don't smell anything.
We're going deep inside the Buddha's hole. So what? I can't see, bro. I'm currently deep inside the Buddha.
It's so sugoi. Yeah, to the guy who got amoebiasis and it's drinking what do you call that? Temple water. My God. Okay, so now we're walking to the. Ay, so tired. Okay, again. So now we're walking to the bamboo fort, the station. Oh, what is this, bruh? What is this? Sushi. We're walking to the station, which we don't know what it looks like.
We are lost in Japan. Nathan, can you show your tits? Show it for the cameras.
Forest muna. Can you?
Would you rather smash James Charles or Vice Ganda? Vice Ganda or James Charles?
Where? Why you gotta dikit it, bruh? No, si Joshua is useless. Not talking na.
What did you call me? Did you call me an N-word?
Huh? Patay sa wall, bruh.
My hair is fucked up. I have no sleep. And Nathan's so yummy. We are here at the Dolomite Beach in Manila Bay. Manila Bay. White sand. Come on, Joshua.
And
Look at this guy.
sige, Nathan, go. I should have brought swimwear, bro.
Look at this pervert. Trying to spot
This
people with
once he gets further. Can you go back pa?
in bikinis.
Nicer.
You say it when we run.
Yeah.
Kita chan.
Likod pa!
No, say, okay na yan.
That's
Can you turn around and like that?
What's your favorite race, Bryce?
Human race.
The black.
You left me.
Oh wait, you're not in frame.
You left me. Twice. Thrice this trip.
That's so fun. Nathan, did you enjoy last night?
You know, last night Joshua touched my booty hole. For anyone watching, Nathan Tan, registered
ISO.
structural engineer with a preference for minors and single moms.
I know why you're here, Nathan Tan. This guy's here to meet the 13-year-old.
Oh, we're waiting for Adish. The Adish decide for us where we're gonna eat.
What do you feel like eating, guys?
I don't know.
What are you eating today?
We got tuna, Fish, roe, uni, prawn,
What the fuck are you drinking?
beer.
What time is it?
Asahi.
What time is it? What time is it?
12:25. Never too
Every Friday, it's mine.
never too late for beer.
Looks delish.
What a beautiful place. Wow. Oh, it's not. Just play some random music here while we're walking. Or you can voice over na lang para we don't have to talk. Wow, look at the flower. It's so exquisite. Wow, we are here in Hakuchojo Temple. See? Look at the white pebbles. Hey, ako just move it. The white pebbles, oh. We're here in the bamboo forest. La 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 la. Oh, I don't know, bro. I'm not the one who planted this. Wow, you see the nature? Let's remove the wide lens na. Look at the nature, bro. Amazing. It's cold.
If you mention Hiroshima, will the Japanese people get PTSD? Like how the Jews always mention the Holocaust.
Let's try.
So now we're waiting for the bus.
Where's the bus stop? Dito?
This is the bus stop.
Holy shit. Very good.
Ang laki ng isda, oh.
Where?
Ayun.
Zoom it in.
You're the one with the camera. You tell me to don't zoom in on the kids.
Ah, yun gago. Ayun, ang laki oh. There's 2 of them. 3, 4.
Look, the statue stroking its cock. Okay, so we're on our way home from Kamakura, and I'm with Joshua. How do you? So they've already started eating. What's your order?
Spicy.
Oh, how about you? What's your order? Black garlic. What's your order?
Black.
Is black garlic. How about your order, Joshua?
Spicy special ramen.
Level what?
Level 4.
Pussy po. How about you? What's your level?
I don't choose a level.
Is that different from mine?
Random.
So sarap naman the food. Okay, time to eat. I'm hungry. Goodbye.
Dapat every day. I wasn't even recording.
Holy shit!
Yes. Okay, guys, we'll end the day here. Joshua is leaving.
Could you believe that?
Goodbye.
Like and subscribe.